to get into this concept of marketing, I guess, and how we define it in a modern day age is something which is really changing as time goes on. And I think Seth Godin, if you don't follow him, I strongly recommend that you do, as someone who's been at the forefront of marketing for a couple of decades now. And he's got an interesting take on the definition of marketing. And he says that marketing is the generous act of helping someone solve a problem. Not our problem, their problem. And marketing helps others to become who they seek to become. And I think this is something which perhaps, in the way that we've always seen what the purpose of marketing is in a club or in a business, is somewhat different, because many clubs and many companies have made the mistake of trying to solve their problem, the club's problem, and not the customer's problem, not the member's problem. And I think philosophically, it's important for us to understand that if you're going to make true impact on people, if you're going to deliver true value in people and communicate that value in a way that resonates with them, we've got to remember that we're solving a member's problem. We're solving a customer's problem, not solving our own problem.